Hello everyone, this is Coach Connie Osorio and today we will be discussing how to top up in mutual funds, the Soldivo funds in our IMG portal. So madaling-madali lang po kung paano tayo mag-add ng ating investment in Soldivo funds if you are an IMG member. So in IMG, FYI, you are an automatic mutual fund investor. Kasama po yan sa exclusive benefit natin bilang IMG member. Automatic from your 5,500 membership fee, yung 1,000 doon will be going to your initial investment in IMG Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. Okay? And then let's start. Our step 1 is to log into your portal dito po sa ating portal na https://img-corp.net, and then you will be forwarded to this page. All you need to do is to log in using your user ID. Again, your user ID is your member code. Example po, yung code ko po mismo, 1194111PH. And then you need to input also, of course, your password. Ang password po natin is the login sent to your email by once you become a member. Okay? And then you will be forwarded to this page, our beautiful and powerful portal. So sa homepage po natin, andyan yung ating banner and your information. And below that, you will see your My Dashboard. So step 2 natin is to go to My Dashboard. Doon nyo makikita yung Soldivo funds. And then you need to click the View Portfolio button. So tinakpan natin yung ating number of shares kasi usually when you go to your dashboard, you will see the total number of shares na na-invest nyo na dito sa Soldivo funds. Okay? And then, you'll be forwarded to this IMG Soldivo fund page. Makikita nyo may dalawa tayong fund name, the Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. You can view the details of all your payment history and transactions and statement of account for each for each fund name. Okay? And bawat fund po natin, meron tayong current net asset value per share, yung tinatawag po nating NAV. So, ibig sabihin, magkano na yung current or present na bilihan doon sa fund na yon. So, in this case, we have Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund Inc. 0.7265 ang bilihan. So, wala pang piso. Piso naman for the bond fund. So, meron po tayong separate na training for mutual funds, exclusive for IMG members para mas maintindihan nyo yung pag-i-invest sa stock market or sa mutual funds. But to give you an idea on how to decide kung saan nyo ilalagay yung pera nyo, we have, again, 2 strategic growth fund and bond fund. Bottom line lang po niyan, strategic growth fund is for your long-term goals. Of course, yung hindi nyo muna kukunin yung pera nyo. And para sa mga short-term goals are bond fund. Para sa mga nagtatanong saan ba na-i-invest, particularly yung gusto nating Jollibee and SM, ayan, under siya ng strategic growth fund. So if you wanted to add subscriptions or add investment for Jollibee shares and SM shares, dito tayo sa strategic growth fund. Okay? And then step number 3 is to click add subscription button, ayan, down below. And then you need to search or input your agent code. That's step 4. Ayan. In my case, ayang mismong agent code natin. Yan na rin yung folio number natin. Kaya yan ang gagamitin natin always to add subscription. And then next is to choose a fund. Okay, nasabi na natin kanina, dalawa siya. In my case, select natin yung Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund and 1,000 na rin yung i-enter nating amount. So ayan, select the fund and then enter the amount and click the next button. And then you are required to add your signature. Just hit the OK button and then you will be forwarded to this terms and conditions page. Okay, basahin nyo lang yan and then doon sa area na to, doon natin i-indicate or i-add ang ating pirma or signature. And then, click the next button. After that, napakabilis lang, choose indicate your email address and then choose the remittance bank, bank deposit or bank transfer option doon sa ating payment options. Okay? And then, of course, pag napunta na kayo sa page na to, lahat ng mga information na required, ikompleto natin like the country, region, and then city, address line 1, yan po yung required, and then zip code, mobile number. Don't forget to tick the bank deposit remittance button. And then after that, kapag kompleto na, just click the next step button. Then you will be forwarded to this page. All you need to do is to choose your desired bank from the list. In my case, the Union Bank po, nag-online bank transfer. And then after that, click the select button. Then you will need to upload your proof of payment. Makikita nyo po dito sa page na to, meron tayong hyperlink na naka-blue, na naka-underline. Click here to send us the proof of payment for verification. Sakaling mawala kayo sa page na yan, just go to the email address or your email. Nag-send din po ang ePay or IMG doon sa inyong email with the same content para dito nyo click or ma-upload yung inyong proof of payment. And then, ayan. Ito na po ngayon yung ePay. Dapat po lahat ng mga information sa inyong proof of payment ay maipasok nyo dito like the date, the time. Okay? Dapat po naka 24-hour format kung ano po yung nakalagay dyan. So, kung inilagay po natin is 2 p.m., so, kailangan plus 12 hours no, para maging 15. Okay? And then, alam naman po natin yan na you have to select the file. Ito po yung sample proof of payment na ginawa. Ito po yung mismong i-upload. And then, hit the submit button. After that, pagkatapos na tayo, nai-input lahat ng information at na-submit na natin, na-upload na natin itong deposit slip, whatever proof of payment you have. Just wait for this notification of payment saying your payment is under verification. And usually, it will take a few banking days. In my case, 3 to 5 business days to confirm your payment. IMG or ePay will be sending you an approved payment email. So pagkatapos nun, you will go to your portal, for booking pa rin po yung inyong transaction. Ibig sabihin, wala pa yung makikita nyong number of shares na nabili ng 1,000 nyo. And then just wait for the finalized number of shares na nabili ng inyong add up or top up na investment sa Soldivo. So, ayun po. Basically, ganun lang kabilis at ganun lang kadali mag-top up dito sa Soldivo Funds using our IMG portal. So, ayun po. This is again, Coach Connie Osorio. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for the next videos na i-upload natin dito. Again, happy investing in Soldivo and IMG. This is Coach Connie saying God bless you and enjoy your IMG membership.